Hey, I just want to remind you, especially with this beautiful weather that we're having, and hopefully where you're at is beautiful, because I know my husband on the contract where he's at is actually, they just got snow. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm here where it's nice and toasty, but I'll be heading back that direction soon. Anyway, back to, I want to remind you guys, if you are working on devices, when you are surrounded by televisions or your phones or computers or all of this stuff, make sure one of the easiest ways that you can get grounded is to take off your shoes and go stand out in the grass. Put your feet in the, okay, make sure if you have dogs or animals that you watch where you step first, but walk barefoot out on the ground, because that is a natural grounding that will help if you've got like the jitteries or you feel like the inside of your body is just climbing or crawling or you just can't calm down. Give it a try, guys. Just a few minutes, 10, 15 minutes a day will help release all of that and help ground you. It's kind of like electricity going into the house. You've got your grounding plug. Well, it's the same type of deal going on there. It's just your body grounding and releasing some of that energy that and frequency that you're picking up from all the electronical, technical devices that we were on for our good, but also could be for our demise. Wanted to share that tip with you. I am Michelle Went, and I am so passionate about standing in the gap from where you are to where you can and want to be. Be blessed, guys.